Hey graduates, welcome back to another tutorial from EcomGraduates. So today I'm going to show you how to remove this pesky powered by Shopify. Now, a lot of you are probably wondering like, why does this matter? Why would I want to remove powered by Shopify? Well, here's the thing. Dropshippers, and no offense to you guys, but they kind of ruined it for the, established brands in the e-com space. A while ago, everyone was dropshipping because it was very, very easy. It was easy to get into, very low costs. You can dropship from AliExpress to anywhere in the world. But people failed to deliver their products. They failed to provide customer service, so it ruined their reputation for a lot of consumers. Consumers now see powered by Shopify, and they're just like, oh hell no! I had a terrible experience with a store powered by Shopify. I'm never going back to that store again or any other Shopify store ever again. And trust me, this is an actual fact. So I'm going to show you how to remove this powered by Shopify and make yourself stand out among your competitors. So let's get to it. So I'm just going to reset this back to normal, and what we're going to do is powered by Shopify. Now, there's a few ways you can do this. You can go into your languages, or you can edit it right from the theme code. I personally like to edit it from the theme code, but guess what? I'm going to show you how to do all of these. So now, what you want to do is click here, edit languages, and we'll just search for powered. That's that easy. And you can just get rid of it this way. This powered by Shopify. Let's get rid of this. That's a password page. I'm just kind of like leave a blank there if you want. This is for links, and it doesn't look like there's actually a powered by Shopify word filter in here. So with that said, let's just hit save and see what happens. And it's still there. Well, all right. So if that's the case, then what we're going to do is we're just going to search for powered by Shopify and just see if this actual word here exists. And this is an easy way to kind of try and find things, see what languages, because some themes use languages. It's an easier way to, render different things and change your language. But anyways, it's not there, so let's go here and just edit the code. Now, anything below here is a footer. So what are we going to do? We're going to go find the footer section. So we're going to go here, go into our theme, like I showed you before in multiple videos. Please go watch our other videos. They really do provide a lot of value, and they'll help you, make your store just that much better. I don't even know if that's proper English, but anyways, Control F, powered by, and we don't have that. So what we've got here is, you see the powered by link. So what you can always do is usually find the powered by link just by going here, and you'll see copyright content. Now this is on Dawn theme. This will vary from theme to theme, but all you got to do is either do Control / to comment it out, if you ever want to return it. If you want to comment it out using Liquid, just do this, comment, and here, whoops, what am I doing? And just do end comment, and you can do it like that. Or we can just get rid of it altogether, because why do we need it, right? Hit save, refresh, there you go, it's gone, just like that. So again, if you're going to go and try to remove your powered by, what we'll do is just revert this back, hit save, bring it back. And come on, did it save? Should have saved. I guess the language did work. That's weird. Something's not right. Let's see here. That's strange. Oh, okay. So the language did work. So languages, I guess, it seems like they take a little bit to load for some reason. So it works this way, or it works. Let's see. It works. Shopify, come on. Any day now. I swear, Shopify has gotten slower and slower. I got into Shopify in 2016. Then I came back to it in 2018, and it was a lot faster, I will say. I didn't have to wait 9 years for this to load, and this is an update. This is a new update. Holy Jesus. Okay, edit languages. So you can do powered, and then links, what we can do is we can just do like some cool text, hit save, and now we wait. All right, there we go. So it says some cool text. So the link still exists even if you change this this right here. Even if it changes Like even if you put like a space here to make it invisible. But like I said, I think editing it in the footer is a lot better because it just removes it altogether. You don't have to mess with languages, and it's just much, much easier. So we're just gonna hit save, and there we go. And just hit save. And let's go back. And now you'll notice that there isn't an extra one here. There's no extra link, nothing. Nada. Zilch. Gone. So that's it, guys. It's really easy. Remove Powered by Shopify. You know, it'll give you that much more trust for your consumers, and if they have a bad experience on another Shopify store, it's not gonna, they're not gonna bring that sour taste in their mouth over to your store and be like, I'm not buying from your store. So that's it, guys. Until next time.